Have you seen the music?
Yes, people of God, I the one sang the song, sue them to God.
So you have to convince the people now. The people have to be convinced. A lot of people, the people say they want acapella. Try. They want to hear your real voice. They want to know. Music playing. They want to know. They want it. They want to hear it. So you ready now to prove yourself?
Yes. And I want that hold in my progress. If I'm my mother, that hold in my marriage. If I'm my father, that hold in my children. If I'm my sister, that hold in my trouble. If I'm my brother, that hold in my business. If I'm my auntie, that hold in my traveling. If I'm my best friend, that hold in my progress. Yahweh, I surrender to you. Jehovah Jireh, I surrender to you.
Thank you very much. You are convinced that? A lot of people have to convince. The minute ask me how, you just dragging on the song, not your own song.
None of the belief that God has raised a servant to spread His word.
That's why I get talent, oh. So don't forget to like the video.